money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy OD, back with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing the Quest Flat Fold Wagon. So for those looking for a new wagon, put your groceries in, laundry, kids play around, something like that, we're going to unbox this thing up. So the dimensions on it is 36 inches by 19 inches by 22 inches. So it also could weigh, it could also maximum weight of 150 pounds. So that's like almost a skinny adult. And it's collapsible, so storage, fold it up. So we're gonna unbox this thing, get inside of it, see what it comes with, see what it do. Let's get into it. Now I got this from Dick's. It was for a good price, I thought. Like 50 bucks. I seen a couple on Amazon I was looking for. And they was a little more expensive. I'm hoping that this is a good model and that don't break apart. I tried to do a little bit of research before I really get too much into it. But let's see what it comes with. So we got the instructions. We got the wheels. Look at the wheels. And we got the cart right here itself. And we have some look like pins for the wheels. So I'm gonna put this thing together and come back and let y'all see what it look like and how it operates. All right, we got it all put together. We have two different type of set of wheels, so make sure when you're putting together that you realize and you pay attention to the two types. The wheels here have like a little curve. Those are the ones that go in the front, and then the wheels back here goes in the back.
Yeah.
And you got a little handle right here. Push the button, raise it up, and then you can bend it back, and you'll basically have maneuverability.
Yeah, and you put the in there.
And
Like
push the
that.
button back down. And it can support up to 150 pounds. Come, sweetie.
Okay.
So, you can put your kids in there and they can ride along.
Fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
So, all in all, it seems pretty decent and sturdy.
What about my monkey?
About your monkey,
Yeah.
you're not gonna put the monkey in there too.
Yeah.
I feel like if you wanna make it a little more sturdy, you probably could put another piece of cardboard down here. But all in all, it seems pretty good. I do fear a little bit of the handle
Oh, I get pressure.
because
I get pressure.
you lift it up, you gotta make sure it locks in, and it don't seem like it's really locking in. So that might be an issue. But
Hold it.
all in all, it seems pretty good. As long as you're pulling it, the handle should be fine. If you reversing and backing up, then it might have an issue. It's locked in now, but you got to make sure that it's locked in. Seemed like it didn't lock in right away, but I might put some DW40. There you go. I might put some DW40 on it, give it a little more of a slide and glide. Get up from my knee. All right, guys. She's hyped now. I'ma holler at y'all later. If any questions, holler at your boy.
Can I go in?
Can you go in? Go ahead, get all up in there.
Okay.
Okay, climb in. All right, man. I'll check y'all later. Take it easy. Easy.